Good morning students. Now we shall solve more number of problems on compound angles, which are very important problems, and all these problems carry 5 marks. So these are all very important problems, and each problem carries 5 marks, which are very important. Remember it. So now we shall solve the problems. Now look at here. Sin 5x minus 2 sin 3x plus sin x divided by cos 5x minus cos x equals tan x. Look at here, look at the numerator here. Here in the middle term it is 2 sin 3x. We cannot apply the formula to first two terms because we have only four formula, that is sin c plus sin d, sin c minus sin d, cos c plus cos d, cos c minus cos d. So now we club these two terms, and next we middle term is taken to the last term, sin 5x plus sin x minus sin 3x divided by the denominator. Now look at it, you take this 5x as c and this x as d. Now we apply the formula. In the denominator also we take this 5x as c and this x as d. So this is sin c plus sin d, that is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. The denominator cos c minus cos d is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So 5x plus x, 6x by 2 is 3x, 5x minus x, 4x by 2 is 2x. Similarly, the denominator. Okay. Now look at here, we can look at the numerator, we can take out 2 sin 3x as a common factor here. Look at here, this is 2 sin 3x, here also 2 sin 3x. Take out as a common factor, we are left with cos 2x minus 1 divided by this one. Now we can cancel, look at here, you can cancel 2 sin 3x and 2 sin 3x are get cancelled. Here minus is in the denominator, minus sin 2x, numerator is cos 2x minus 1. Take out minus as a common factor in the numerator. Here, if you have like this cos 2x minus 1, if we take minus as a common factor, it will be 1 minus cos 2x. Right? So the denominator is minus. We know the formula to 1 minus cos 2x. What is 1 minus cos 2x? This is the formula for 2 sin square x. So minus as it is 2 sin square x. Look at this, minus 2 and minus 2 get cancelled. One of the sign get cancelled here. So we are left with sin x divided by cos x, that is tan x. So remember that cos 1 minus cos 2x will be, it is 2 sin square x. You have to remember these formula. These are important formula. Now come to the second problem. We have to prove this one, sin 3x plus sin 2x minus sin x equals this one. Now look at here. First we take this minus sin x to the middle term and sin 2x to the next term, last term. So, and we consider this 3x as c and this x as d, and we apply the formula of sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So 3x plus x, 4x by 2 is 2x, 3x minus x, 2x by 2 is x. Now we can take out the common factor here. Here you can take 2 sin x as a common factor. So now again this 2x, if you consider this as c and if you consider x as d, we apply cos c plus cos d formula. What is cos c plus cos d? It is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So this is the final answer. It's a very simple one. Just applying the formula, you will get the result. Now look at here. Sin 3x plus sin x into sin x plus cos 3x minus cos x into cos x equals 0. We have to prove this result. Now look at here. Here you consider 3x as c and this x as d. Here 3x as c and x as d. If you apply the formula, sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Here cos c minus cos d, minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So this is, now you can take out, look at here, 2 sin x into cos x. You can take out common factor here. Okay, otherwise look at here. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 sin 2x cos x sin x ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 sin 2x cos x sin x. Here also you can cancel these two. ಇಲ್ಲೇ cancel ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. You will get 0. It's a very simple problem. Okay. Now look at this one. 2 cos pi by 13 into cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 9 5 pi by 13 is 0. We have to prove this result. Now let us take this pi by 13 as x. So 2 cos x, here 9 pi by 13 is 9 into x. Here 3 pi by 13 is 3 into x. 5 pi by 13 is 5 into x. Okay. Now look at here. You keep this as it is. You consider 3x as c, this 5x as d. So this is cos c plus cos d. 2 cos c plus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2. 3x plus 5x, 8x by 2, 4x. 3x minus 5x is, look at here, it is minus 2x divided by 2. 2 get cancelled. Cos of minus x. We all know that cos of minus x is nothing but plus cos x, isn't it? So cos of minus x is plus cos x. So we see that this is 2 cos x cos 9x plus 2 cos 4x cos x. So you take 2 cos x outside, cos 9x plus cos 4x. Again you apply, you consider this 9x as some c and 4x as d. Cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. 9x plus 4x is 13x by 2. 9x minus 4x is 5x by 2. Now look at here. We know the value of x is nothing but pi by 13. We apply the value of here. Look at here. 4 cos x andre pi by 13 cos, look at here, 13x by 2 means 13 by 2 into x. X value is pi by 13. Here you can cancel 13 and 13. You are left with hೀಗೆ cos pi by 2. What is the value of cos pi by 2? We all know that cos pi by 2 is nothing but it is cos 90 degree. Cos 90 degree is 0. So 4 cos pi by 3 into 0. 0 into anything is always 0. That is the right answer. Now look at here. This is also a very important problem. Remember, we have to prove the result. Cos square x plus cos square x plus pi by 3. You know that pi by 3 is nothing but 60 degree. Cos square x minus pi by 3, that is 60 degree, is 3 by 2. Remember it. We must know one formula. Always cos square x is always equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. ಈ ಹಿಂದೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಹೇಳಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು. Cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x by 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos square x plus pi by 3 is 1 plus cos 2 into x plus pi by 3 by 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, x ಬದಲು x plus pi by 3 ಇದೆ. Cos square x minus pi by 3 is 1 plus cos 2 into x minus pi by 3 by 2. Look at the 2 in the denominator. I can take 1 by 2 outside. Then it is, numerator is 1 plus cos 2x plus 1 plus cos 2 into x 2x plus 2 into pi by 3. 2 into 60 degree is 2 into 60 degree. 1 plus cos 2x minus 2 into 60 degree. What is 2 into 60 degree? We all know that this is nothing but 120 degree. So it is 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3 plus cos 2x plus cos 2x plus 120 plus cos 2x minus 120. Now we apply the formula. You consider this entire thing as c and you consider this as d. And we apply the formula of cos c plus cos d. What is cos c plus cos d? We all know that it is, ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 2 into cos c plus d by 2. c ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2x plus 120 plus 2x minus 120 by 2. c minus d important. 2x plus 120 minus of bracket important. Writing this bracket is important. Remember it. Here you can cancel 120 and 120. 2x plus 2x 4x. 4x by 2 means 2x. Here look at here, minus in the multiply madi, this will be 2x plus 120 minus 2x minus into minus plus 120, right? Here you cancel minus 2x and plus 2x. 120 plus 120, it is 240. If you divide this by 2, you will get 120. So this is 120, cos 120. Look at this cos 120 degree. You can write cos 120 degree as cos 180 minus 60. We all know that 180 minus 60 is lies in the second quadrant. It lies in the second quadrant. So cos is negative. So 180 is there, cos remains as cos. So we see that we all know that cos of 180 minus x is nothing but minus cos x. It ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. So cos of 180 minus 60 is, so look at here, cos of, okay, so it is minus cos 60 degree. This plus into minus will be minus. What is the value of cos 60 degree? It is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the value of cos 60 degree. So you can cancel this 2 and 2. So 3 plus cos 2x minus cos 2x, right? Here you can cancel this plus cos 2x minus cos 2x. So this is 1 by 2 into 3. 1 by 2 into 3 means what? 3 by 2. That is the right answer. It is a simple problem. Remember it. You have to know the formula. That's a very important one. Okay. Come to the next problem. We have to prove this is cos 2x cos x by 2 minus cos 3x cos 9x by 2 is sin 5x into sin 5x by 2. Now look at this. We must know the trigonometric formula for, look at here. What is the formula for cos x cos y? We must know this one. This is nothing but 1 by 2 into cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. Okay, so you must know the formula. Cos x cos y is 1 by 2 into cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಸಮ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ cos c plus cos d. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಇಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಂಟು ಇದೆ. So it is, if you consider this 2x as some x and this x by 2 as y, it is cos x cos y is 1 by 2 into cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y. Again, il minus haಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. If you consider 3x as x and 9 by 2, 9x by 2 as y, it is cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y. 2x plus x by 2 means 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ multiply ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2x into 2, 4x plus x, 5x by 2. ಈ 2x, 4x minus x, 3x by 2. ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ multiply ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is 2 into 3x is 6x plus 9x, 15x by 2. This is 6x minus 9x, that is 3x by 2. So you can cancel these two. Right? So look at here. Remaining is half into cos 5x by 2 minus 15x by 2. Now you apply this 5x by 2 considering as c and 15x by 2 as d. It is cos c minus cos d. That is half into, remember it is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. What is, look at here, 5x by 2 plus 15x by 2. So if you consider this 2 as the LCM here, it is 5x minus 15x. 5x minus 15x is nothing but minus 10x divided by 2. So this is 2 5s are. So it is the numerator, entire numerator, this 2 numerator minus 5x agudate. So that is divided by 2, denominator 2. Okay. So this is, if you take the LCM here, 5x plus 15x, that is 20x by 4. Look at here, 4 1s are, here 4 5s are. Okay. So now look at here, 5x minus 15x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 5x minus 15x ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 10x by 2. Look at here, this is 2 2s are, here 2 5s are. So it is sin of minus 5x by 2 alva. Sin of minus 5x by 2 is minus sin 5x by 2. look at this minus into this minus. Minus into minus will give rise to plus. So it is plus 2 into sin 5x, sin 5x by 2. Here you can cancel this 2 and 2. ಈ 2 cancel ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಇದು sin ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದೆ. You cannot cancel this 2 and 2 because this is inside the sign. Remember it, okay? So ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಜ್ಞಾಪಕಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Simple problem. Applying the formula is important here. First we apply the formula of cos x cos y, cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y. Here also cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y. We simplify this and we cancel these two. Here remaining is cos 5x by 2, that is c, 15x by 2 d. Cos c minus cos d formula you must know, minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 is the LCM, 5x plus 15x 20x by 2, that is 10x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 10x by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5x. ಈ 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ 4 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. 5x minus 15x ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 10x by 4 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. That is the right answer. So now look at here. Cot x cot 2x minus cot 2x cot 3x minus cot 3x cot x equals 1. ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಬಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ನೋ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಒನ್. ವಿ ನೋ ದಿಸ್ cot of x plus y is cot of cot of x plus y is ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು, okay? It is cot of x plus y is cot x cot y minus 1 divided by cot x plus cot y. This is the formula. Cot of x plus y is cot x cot y minus 1 by cot x plus cot y. Similarly, look at here. If you cot 3x, 3x can be written as 2x plus x because 2x plus x is 3x. You consider cot 3x as cot of 2x plus x. If you consider this 2x as x and this x as y, it is cot of x plus y. It is cot x cot y minus 1 ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ formula divided by cot x plus cot y. Now look at here. If you cross multiply here, this is get multiplied with this one. ಇಲ್ಲಿ multiply ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Cot 3x into cot 2x plus cot x equals ಇಲ್ಲಿ cot 2x cot x minus 1. Next step is the answer. Look at here. You multiply this with here. It's a very simple. Cot 3x cot 2x plus cot 3x cot x equals this one. Now look at here. The minus 1 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, you transfer this minus 1 to this side, it become plus, and transfer this entire thing, ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, transfer this to this side, okay? So that becomes cot 2x cot x into ಇದು ಈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದಾಗ minus cot 3x cot x, ಈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದಾಗ minus cot 3x cot x equals minus 1 ಈ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ, that become plus 1. That is the right answer. It's a simple problem. Just knowing the formula of cot of x plus y and writing this cot 3x as cot of 2x plus x, ಅಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ you can easily find the answer. Now look at here. Cot 4x equals 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x. We have to prove this result. We know that this cos 4x contains, this 4x can be written as 2 into 2x, isn't it? We know one formula for cos 2x. Look at here. We know that cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x, isn't it? Cot 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x. 1 minus 2 sin square x, okay? Now look at this one here. Instead of this 2, if you write again 2x, you have here also you have to replace x by 2x. ನೋಡಿ, cos 2 into 2x ಅಂದರೆ 1 minus sin square x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 2x ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ. cos 2x is 1 minus sin square 2x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ x ಬದಲು 2x ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ x ಬದಲು 2x ಬರಿಬೇಕು. That is cos 2 into 2x ಅಂದರೆ 1 minus sin square 2x. So 1 minus sin square 2x ನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 minus 2 ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, sin 2x whole square, because we all know that sin square 2x is nothing but sin 2x whole square. So sin 2x whole square. So sin 2x na, we know the formula of sin 2x. Sin 2x formula is, that is nothing but 2 sin x into cos x. So we see that 2 sin x into cos x. So 2 sin x cos x whole square, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 square 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, sin square sin x whole square sin square x, cos x whole square cos square x, 2 into 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8. So this is the answer. Remember cos 2x 1 minus 2 sin square x ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So cos 4x ಇದೆ, 4x ನ 2 into 2x ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಆವಾಗ 1 minus 2 sin square x ಬರಿಬಾರದು, 2 sin square 2x, ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2x ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. If you consider this as some t, ಇದು t ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ, cos 2t 1 minus 2 sin square t ಹಾಗೆ. ಅದೇ ತರದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, cos 6x is 32 cos power 6x minus 48 cos power 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. Now look at here, cos 6x can be done as cos 2 into 3x. Okay, if you consider this 3x as some t, it becomes cos 2t. We all know that formula for cos 2x in terms of cos x. Cos x ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ this is the formula, 2 cos square x minus 1. This is the formula for cos 2x. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos 2t ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 cos square t minus 1. What is this t here? That is nothing but 3x. So 2 cos square 3x, cos square 3x ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ನಾವು cos square 3x can be done as, it is nothing but cos 3x whole square. So look at it, cos 3x. What is the formula of cos 3x? We must know it when 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. These two we must know the formula. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಸಿರೋ formula. Cos 3x means it is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. ಅದೇ sin 3x ಇದ್ರೆ 3 sin cube x minus 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. It is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So that is the formula. So look at it, cos 3x can be written as 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x whole square ಇದೆ. If you consider this as a, this as b, it is a minus b whole square. What is a minus b whole square? Look at here, a square plus b square minus 2ab. 4 ಗೆ square 16, cos cube x whole square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 into 2 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is ನೋಡಿ, a cube whole power 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is a power 3 into 2. So nothing but a power 6, that is cos power 6. 3 square is 9 cos square x minus 2 into 4, that is 8. 8 into this 3, that is 24. Cos cube x into cos x is cos power 4x minus 1. Look at it, 2 into 16 32, 2 into 9 18, 2 into 24 48. This is the final answer. So it's a very simple problem. We must know the formula for cos 2x and cos 3x. These are all the problem carrying 5 marks. Tan 4x is 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x by 1 minus 6 tan square x tan power. Look at, again you are having 4x. We know the formula of tan 2x as 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. This formula ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Already we know this formula. Here instead of x, wherever x is there, you replace by 2x. Illu x is there, you replace by 2x. Here also you replace by 2x. So tan 2 into 2 4x is 2 into 4x is 2 tan 2x by 1 minus tan square 2x. Look at this tan 2x. We all know that again this tan 2x ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus tan square ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ tan 2x ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x whole square. Okay, so 2 into 2 4 denominator. Here you take the LCM here, square numerator and denominator apply ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೀಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, this is like this, 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Okay, 1 minus tan square x is to go whole square. So apply whole square to the numerator, 2 square become 4 into tan square x divided by, you square is applied to denominator also, divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square. Look at here, tan square x whole square. So denominator here, take out the LCM here. What is the LCM here? Here 1 means 1 divided by 1 at the component. Okay, so this is multiplied here, this is multiplied by here, so it is 1 minus tan square x whole square minus minus 2 ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು, sorry, this is 4 ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ, 4, okay, 4 tan square x divided by this one. Okay, 1 minus 4. Now look at here, this is 1 minus tan square x whole square, 1 minus tan square x whole square, one of them will get cancels here. Okay, remaining is 4 tan x by 1 divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square minus 4 tan square x by 1 minus tan square. If ಇದು reciprocal ಆದರೆ this is multiplied with this one and this is multiplied with this one. Okay, 4 tan x into 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x divided by, look at here, this is the formula of a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 4 tan square x. Okay, now look at here, here it is 1, look at minus 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square x. What is minus 2 minus 4? It is nothing but minus 6. So it is minus 6 tan square x plus tan to the power of 4x. This is the final result. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. tan 4x can be written as tan of 2 into 2x. tan 2 into 2x is 2 tan x ಅಲ್ಲ, x ಬದಲು 2x, ಇಲ್ಲೂ x ಬದಲು 2x. Again this tan 2x ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಇದಿಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು? 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಅಪ್ಲೈ a whole square. Square is applied to numerator and denominator. 2 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, tan square x, 1 minus tan square x whole square. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ this 2 into 2 4. Now look at here, you take out the LCM here, LCM ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ divided by this one, ಹೀಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. So something same, a by b divided by, okay, c divided by b square ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ, ಅವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು b get cancel here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. So that is a by 1 divided by c by b ಅಂದರೆ, so that is nothing but a by 1 into b by c, reciprocal ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So b goes to here and c comes to here. So in this way 1 minus tan square x 4 tan x ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ, a minus b whole square, a square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 square, tan square x whole square ಅಂದ್ರೆ tan power 4x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, minus 2ab, 2 minus 2 into tan 1 into tan square x tan square x. So minus 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square x minus 6 tan square x. So this is the result. ಇದು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 2 to 3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ 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 ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಒನ್. If you know these formula, you can easily solve all the problems. Okay, thank you very much.